How to join Chipotle Rewards in the Chipotle app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chipotle app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, simply create one. After you've created your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on the person-like icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Chipotle Rewards. Then it will show you how many points you have. Here you'll find different options if you had points. Which one is redeemable? You will find the products at the bottom. You can simply click on it and exchange with your points. And after you do this, you will get it for free with your points. And this is how to join Chipotle Rewards in the Chipotle app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.